Hello parents and kids. Today I am going to show you an activity, and when you have to do this activity, you have to do this activity when you will revise of standing line and sleeping line. What we are going to do? We are going to revise the letters and numbers with standing line and sleeping line. I have taught you how many letters with standing line and sleeping line? I have taught you 3 letters. Letter I, letter T and letter L, right? I have taught you 3 numbers. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. So before doing this activity, we will first revise the letters and numbers by tracing it on this color. Okay? So come. First we will trace the letters on this color. Okay? Which letter? Letter I. How do we write letter I? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Okay? Now how do we write letter T? Sleeping line, standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. Now how do we write letter L? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, right? Now how do we write numbers? We will write numbers. First number is number 1. How do we write number 1? Standing line is number 1. Standing line is number 1. Now how do we write number 2? Half circle, sleeping line. Half circle, sleeping line. Number is number 3. How do we write number 3? One more half circle. Half circle. One more half circle. Half circle. One more half circle makes the number 3. So now we will do our activity. Okay? Let's go. Friends, now I am going to show you how to make kids do this activity. See, you have to draw letter L, letter I and letter T. Okay? You can do it with sand or anything, or you can simply draw it with chalk on your tiles. Okay? On your floor. So what kids have to do is, when you will say standing line, so they will jump on this. See, for example, I am explaining you like this is a standing line. So when you will say standing line, then kids have to jump like this. When you will say sleeping line, kids have to jump like this. Okay parents? So let's start. Parents, you will say like this. See, I am saying standing line. So kids will jump like this over the standing line. Then you will say sleeping line. So kids will jump over the sleeping line. Okay? Now next letter is letter I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Okay, this is letter I. Now next letter is letter T. How do we make letter T? Sleeping line and standing line. Okay parents and kids, you have to do it like this. Now this is of alphabets. Now I will make you learn how to jump on 3 numbers. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay kids? Yes, now I am going to show you how to make kids jump on numbers. See, I have made number 1, number 2 and number 3. Number 1 is a standing line. Number 2 is half circle and a sleeping line. And number 3 is half circle and one more half circle. So kids will have to walk on this. Okay? First number 1. Let's start. Standing line. Then number 2. Half circle. Then sleeping line. Then number 3. Half circle. Half circle. Okay parents, so kids will do this activity like this on these 3 letters and on these 3 numbers. Okay? Parents, now I am going to show you an activity on slanting line. Okay? Kids, I have taught you ना slanting line. Slanting line मैंने आपको पढ़ाई है ना. Slanting line दो तरीके की होती है. एक होता है ये वाले है left slanting line, ये वाली है right slanting line. This is left slanting line क्योंकि ये हमारे left hand से start होती है तो left slanting line. ये है right slanting line क्योंकि ये हमारे राइट हैंड से स्टार्ट होती है तो ये हो जाएगा राइट स्लैंटिंग लाइन. ओके किड्स, सो द एक्टिविटी इज लाइक दिस कि पेरेंट्स यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ ट्री लाइक दिस. ओके, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन इन मिडल एंड देन लेफ्ट स्लैंटिंग लाइन over here and right slanting line over here. And now what's the activity is, kids will stick the matchstick. Help the kids and guide the sticks, kids parents to stick this sticks. Okay, so first we will put Fevicol like this. Parents, please help the kids. They have to stick the matchsticks like this. This is an slanting line activity. We are making a tree with the help of this slanting line activity, right? Now we will put Fevicol on this. This is right slanting line, right kids? This is a right slanting line. This is also a right slanting line. This is also a right slanting line. So first we will stick the matchstick over the right slanting line. Parents, you will draw the line so that kids will not have any problem while sticking the matchstick. Okay. So our right slanting line is done. Now we will stick the matchstick on left slanting line. Okay. Put the Fevicol and then paste the sticks. See, left slanting line. So parents, kids will do this activity like this. Okay, and parents, please help the kids in pasting this matchsticks. Okay. Now parents, I am going to show you an activity that you have to make kids do. Okay, this activity is on umbrella. छाता की राइम करवाई है ना बच्चों मैंने आपको याद है छाता की राइम? अम्ब्रेला और छाता हम कब यूज करते हैं? सी दिस इज एन अम्ब्रेला. और हिंदी में अम्ब्रेला को क्या बोलते हैं? छाता. तो छाता हम कब यूज करते हैं? जब बारिश आती है, राइट? बारिश और छाता की राइम करवाई है ना मैंने आपको, तो उसके ऊपर आज हम एक वाले. Okay, parents, what you have to do is make an umbrella and tell the kids to color the umbrella. Okay parents, आप लोग एक umbrella बनाना और बच्चों को उसमें कलर भरने के लिए बोलना. Okay, and then what you have to do is then kids will make drops, rain drops with this Fevicol. Okay, and parents, you have to dilute this Fevicol with water. मतलब कि ये फेविकॉल में आप थोड़ा सा पानी मिक्स कर देना ताकि वो रेन ड्रॉप्स की तरह लगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कम. See parents, I have already made this umbrella. What you have to do is you have to draw the umbrella and tell the kids to color the umbrella. Then kids will take this Fevicol, diluted Fevicol. Okay, you have to mix water in this Fevicol so that it will looks like a raindrops. Okay, now kids, what you have to do is make drops in some distance, right? Can you see raindrops? It's looking so nice, very pretty. Okay kids, you have to make raindrops like this. Parents, can you see that this Fevicol is diluted? You have to mix some water. Okay, and guide the kids to make raindrops, only dots like this. Okay, then parents, what you have to do is when kids will do it, just hang it for some time like this. See, can you see? Wow, it's looking so nice. These are raindrops. Okay, so this is the activity. Okay parents and kids.